Hello to you my gorgeous queens, you're welcome back to Trendy Nails and Hairs. The channel, as you always know, that gives you nothing but the very best in nails and hairs fashion. So in case you are seeing this channel for the first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that you will always get notified as soon as a new video is dropped down in this channel. So watching this video, you see that these nails which I have compiled today are so beautiful and gorgeous. These are short pink acrylic nail designs for you my gorgeous queens. So in order for you to make the best of the video, watch to the end. And as you watch, kindly support my channel by hitting the like button, okay? Like the video, and also feel free to share this video to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for your later use. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down into my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types and also hairs. Also, I say a big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching my videos and also engaging. Trust me, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. Thank you so much. So ladies, at the end of the video, you can go to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my video on my channel in general. And you can also request for the video types you would like to see in my next video. Thank you so much, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now. you.